Are you looking for an easy way to reply to comments on Instagram with Reels? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the simple steps of creating and sharing a reel in response to a comment on your post. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then find the comment to which you want to reply. So in order to do that, I'm going to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then go over to the Reels tab. I'm just going to reply to a comment on this reel to show you an example. So once you've found the comment that you want to reply to, tap on where it says reply. And then on the left side of the screen, you'll see a blue camera button. So to reply to this comment with a video, simply tap on that button. And now you have the ability to shoot a quick video reply. So go ahead and record your reel. After you've done that, just tap next at the bottom right corner of the screen. So this is your reel, and you can customize it with text, stickers, music, and all that good stuff. So once you've created your reel, tap next at the bottom right corner of the screen. So now all you have to do next is share this reel, and it will also show up as a reply to that comment. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.